Hi, everyone. Welcome to Creation Tech. Today, I will show you how to do a very simple process. We can make any design very beautiful with Illustrator. We will now draw with the golden ratia. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Adjust all. Copy and paste. Adjustments are most needed. Select Line Segment tool. Press Ctrl plus C for copy and Control, plus Shift plus V for paste instantly. Then make adjustments with the Select tool. Shortcut process, transform to rotate and copy. Group all. Adjustments are most needed. Draw carefully. Select all. Finally, select the Shape Builder tool and delete everything unnecessary. Draw what you need. It's good. And color. Draw carefully. Great importance should be given. It's beauty. Finally, select the Shape Builder tool and delete everything unnecessary. And color. Now, we will create a square and use the type on path on this square and adjust it very well, which will help you increase the efficiency as well as the adaptability of your work. For two writings, we will use two circles, one writing on the inner. Great importance should be given. Adjustments are most needed. Side and the other on the outer side. The logo is ready. You can notice a little change in the type of writing font or logo without paying attention to it. You can make everything exactly by locking on the logo. Adjust all. Today, I will show you how to do a very simple process. Logo briefing is more important. Thank you for being with us. Wishing you all the best for your future success.